Hi everybody, today we are going to talk about stop and jot notes. This is a note-taking strategy for you to use when you are independently reading. This helps you slow down and pay attention to what you're reading so that you don't miss anything important. For this assignment, it says, a good reader stops and jots down their thoughts while reading independently. We are going to practice this by stopping every 10 to 15 minutes and writing notes down. Here are some things you could jot down every time you stop. You could write the main idea of the section you just read. You could write any fun facts, especially if you're reading nonfiction. You can make note of any aha moments. You could write down something new that you learned. You could also write down a question that you have about an event that happened in the section that you just read. So all of these things are great things that you could jot down as you are reading. So for example, the book that I am reading is called Piecing Me Together. So I'm going to write the title where it says, what book are you reading? You are also going to write the title of your book where it says, what book are you reading? So remember, you are not writing Piecing Me Together. You are writing the title of the book that you are reading. Now the next question says, what page are you starting on today? If you were just starting the book, then you write page 1. If you're already in the middle of your book, put whatever page number that is. I am on page 1, so that's the page that I am starting on. Now, what you're going to do is you are going to pick up your book and you are going to read for 10 minutes. When that 10 minutes is up, you're going to stop wherever you are, whatever page that is on. And on the left-hand column over here that says stop, you're going to write down the page number you are on when you stop. So whenever I stopped, I was on page 9. And that's all you have to put in the left-hand column. Now the right-hand column is where we're going to jot. This is where we are going to write down our notes. Remember, we can write down main ideas, fun facts, aha moments, something new you learned, or a question that you have. So in those 9 pages that I read, I learned that our main character, Jade, started at a new school. And you can see I'm doing bullet points. You are welcome to also make bullet points to help keep your notes organized. So Jade started at a new school. On my next bullet point, I learned that a teacher wants to talk to her about something important. And so I am going to add another bullet point because I have a question that I want to ask. And my question is, what does the teacher want to talk to Jade about? So I'm going to write that question. Okay. And so you will do the same thing I did. You're reading for 10 minutes. You're going to stop, write down the page number you say when, write down the page number you are on, when I say stop. And then you're going to jot. So every 10 minutes, you are making notes in the right-hand column. You're writing your notes over in the right-hand column. You should do this every 10 minutes. So that means that by the end of the 30-minute block of time, this whole chart should be filled up with information from the book that you are reading.